So welcome to the data structures online class. So up to now in the from the previous classes we have discussed how we are doing operations on binary tree. So now until the previous from past three previous videos we have discussed what are the different operations on a binary tree and how we are going to represent a binary tree. So we are representing it with the help of a arrays and a list. All right. So the in the next thing we are going to the traverses. So what are the different types of traverses? We have discussed just the types of traverses we have discussed. In that we have discussed the completely about the pre-order. How we are going to visit all the data in the all the nodes in the tree. How we are going to visit with the help of pre-order we have discussed up to now in the previous classes. Okay, so once again let's review it. So what are the traversal methods? So traversal methods are generally used for visiting the each and every node with some order. So what are the orders? I have pre-order, in order, post order. I have three orders right now. So in this, how we are defining, is it pre or in or post, the type of our flow, how we are visiting a root and left and a right side. So generally, if you take a node, every node it is if itself a root, then it has a left child, it has a right child. How we are going to visit that order, these three fields, how we are going to visit that order depending upon the type of the traverser. So pre-order, first I will visit root node, then I will visit left subtree, after that I will visit right child. So in the in order, so here first I will visit the left child, then I will visit root, then I will visit right child. In the post order, first I will visit left, right and root. So if you see here, pre means before, in means between, post means after. If you see this order, so root, I am visiting root pre, the first itself. So that's why it is pre-order. So it is representing the where we are is visiting the root node, the place where we are visiting the root node. So root node here is visiting before the left child and right child. So pre-order. Here visiting in between left and right. So that's why it is a in order. Here I am visiting after left child and right child. So that's why it is a post order. Okay. Now in the pre-order, as we said, so how to visit? First I will visit the root node. After that I will visit the left subtree of that root node. Then after I will visit the right subtree of the root node. Now, if I have visited like this, now my order is first I will visit 6. So 6 to 4, it is a left child. So 4 to 2, again left child, 2 to 1. So already the leaf node is came. So again I will move to here. Then already 2 is visited. So I will move to the right side. So that is 3. So 6, 4, 2, 1, 3. Again I will move to the parent node. So parent node already all are visited. Then I will again move to the next parent node. Here I am checking whether it has any right child or not. If it is, doesn't have any right child, then I will move to the root node. So in the root node, I will go to the right subtree. In the right subtree, so first I have to visit the subtree main node, that is 8. So after 8, the left child 7. After 7 is completed, all the nodes are left side of all the nodes are visited. So I am going to the right side, so that is 10. And after visiting the 10, it goes to the 10th left child, that is 9. So after visiting all the nodes of the left side, then I will move to the right side, that is 11. So final order is 6, 4, 2, 1, 3, and 8, 7, 10, 9, 11. So this is the pre-order traversal. So let's discuss about in order. So in the in order, what I have said, so it displays or it represents the where we are using the root node. So first I will discuss the left subtree. Then after I will visit the root node. Then after I will visit the right subtree. So recursively I have to do that one. So instead of first visiting root node, first I have to visit a left value of the left. Okay, so let's do some process. So suppose if it is my a tree structure, so if I have a 2 is the root node, now 1 is the left child, 3 is the right child, then my traversal is 1, 2, 3. First, why? Because first I have to visit the left child. So first I have visited one, then I will move to the right child, then I have moved to the right one. So first I have visited the left child, then I have to move to the root, then I will visit the right child. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this process I have to apply for each and every node of the tree. Each and every node of the tree. So if I take this tree, so as usual, first I have to start from the root node. I have to start from the root node. So what is the root node? 6. But I don't have to visit the root node first. First I have to visit the chain, left chain. So I'm going to the left subtree. So root node, left subtree, first I have taken. So then after I'm checking whether this 4 has any subtrees or not. If you see here, 4 has some subtree. So 2, 1, 3 is a subtree. So again I have to move to the left subtree of that 4. And again I'm checking whether this 2 has any subtrees or not. So if it has any left subtree, I have to move to the left subtree. And checking whether, see, this process I have to continue until I found the last node of a left subtree. So if you see, first I have visited 6. So 6 has a left subtree, so I move to the 4. 4 has left subtree, I move to the 2. 2 has left subtree, I have moved to the 1. 1 doesn't have any left subtree. 1 doesn't have any left subtree. So I am visiting the node right now, that is 1. Now I have visited 1. Now I have visited 1. So this is the process, the main process. First I have to visit the left node of the complete branch. So complete tree. Okay. Now, so 1 doesn't have any nodes. Alright. So first I have to visit a left until left child and checking whether it has any right child or not. No, it doesn't have any right child. So I'm moving to the parent node. I'm moving to the parent node, that is 2. Now, now, so 2 is a root node. So now I am visiting. So left child is completed. Then after I am moving to the root node. Now I have visited the root node. My traversal is 1, 2. Now I have to check whether it has any right childs or not. Why? Because see, first I have to visit left, then root, then right child. So I'm checking whether it has any right child or not. So it is going to the right side part of the 2 subtree. And checking whether if it has any subtree of the left side, I have to visit that part. I have to visit that part first. So it doesn't have any subtrees on the left side, so I'm directly visiting the 3 now. So now my traversal is 1, 2, 3. My traversal is 1, 2, 3. So I getting my point. So first I have to check from root node to a bottom, left subtree of the bottom. After finding the last node at the left side, then I have to visit that one. If it doesn't have any left child, first I have to visit that one. Then after I'm checking whether it has any right childs or not. If it doesn't have any right child, I move to the root node. So left child is visited, so I have to visit the root node. After visiting the root node, I have to check whether it has any right child or not. If it has any right child, I have to move to the right child. And checking whether right child has any left subtree or not. If it doesn't have any left subtree, then I have to visit 3. Same process. Okay, so I have visited 3. Now the traversal is 1, 2, 3. Now I am checking whether 3 has any right childs or not. So I don't have any right childs. So I need to move to the parent node. So that is 2. I need to move to the parent node, that is 2. So 3 has any no child. So I have to move to the parent node. Now, if you see 2 also already all the nodes. So is 2 left side, 1 is visited, 2 right side, 3 is visited. So I have to move to the top one, that is 4. The top node, a parent node 4. So it is the parent node of 2. Am I right? Parent node of 2. So parent node of 2 means 2 already visited. So left side is visited. Then I have to visit the root. In this subtree, the 4 is the main root node. So 2, 1, 3 already. This left part is visited. So I have to visit the 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 is my traversal. Up to now I have done 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am checking whether 4 has any right childs or not. If it doesn't have any right child, then I have to go to the parent node. Then I have to go to the parent node. And again checking, see parent node left subtree is already visited, so I have to visit the root node. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 my traversal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is my traversal. The same process until the last node. Checking whether the left child are visited or not. If it is visited, then I have to visit the parent node. After visiting the parent node, I need to check whether it has any right nodes or not. If it doesn't have any right childs, I have to move to the parent. Okay. Now, if you check the 6, 6 is a root node. So, root node left child is already visited, root node visited. Then after the third property, I have to visit the right child. I have to visit the right subtree. Okay. Now, this subtree I have to visit. Now, again checking whether in this subtree 8 has any childs or not. Yes, 8 has some subchild, that is 7. So, okay, I have to move to that 7. And again checking that 7 has any left child? No. So if it doesn't have any left child, so I have to treat it as a root node and I visit the root node. Now my traversal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. It is my traversal. So 7 is visited. Okay. Now again same process. I am checking whether 7 has any right child or not. If it doesn't have any right child, then I have to move to the parent node of 7. So that is 8. So after coming from the left child to parent node, then automatically I have to visit the parent node. So now my traversal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So after 7, I have to visit 8. So I don't have any left child remaining for 8. So automatically it is going to the in order. I visited root. Then after visiting the root node, I have to move to the right subchain. I have to move to the right subchain. So that is 10, 9, 11. Now my remaining tree is 10, 9, 11. Okay. Now again the same process checking whether 10 has any left child or not. Is it has a left child? Yes. So I need to go to the 9 and checking 9 has any subchild? No. So I am directly visiting, treating it as a node and I am visiting that one. So now my traversal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. After visiting 8, I have to visit 9. So 9 doesn't have any child, so I have to move to the parent node. So that is 10. Now I need to visit 10. As you said, after visiting the left child, if I comes to the parent node, I will visit the parent node. So now I visited the parent node. After visiting the parent node, it moves to the right child, and the right child doesn't have any left children, so I automatically visit that right child. So I'm visiting this one. I 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'm checking whether 11 has any right trees or not. No, it doesn't have any right trees. And checking all the nodes are visited or not. Yes, all the nodes are visited. Then my final traversal, if I want to visit all the nodes in the tree in the form of in order, so first I come all the way to the last child in the left side of left subtree. So that is one. Then moving to the root. Then I move to the right side. So 1, 2, 3. After checking this one, I move to the this subtree root node or this subtree parent node. So 2 parent node 4. I have visited 4. I am checking whether 4 has any subtrees on the right side or not. It doesn't have any subtrees on the right side. So I am moving to the fourth parent node, that is 6. So I have visited 6. I am checking 6 has any parents? No, it doesn't have any parents. Why? Because 6 is the root node. So I automatically, without any checking of the parents, I will move to the right subtree. Otherwise, no need to check whether it is a root element or not. If you see 6 left side is already visited, then the 6 right side I have to visit. Now it automatically go to the right subtree of the 6. So that is 8, 7, 10, 9, 11. 8, 7, 10, 9, 11. I'm checking now the 8 has any subtrees or not. As it has a subtree, so that is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 7. After 7, it's checking is there any nodes available? No. So I'm moving to the parent node. So I visited the parent node 8. Then after I will move to the right subtree. So that is 10, 9, 11. And in 10, 9, 11, is there any left child? Yes, it is a 9 is the left child. So after 8, I have to visit 9. So I'm checking whether left this 9 has any childs or not. It doesn't have any child. So I will move to the parent node, that is 10. So after visiting 9, I will visit 10. So after visiting the 10, and it will move to the right child, so that is 11. So after visiting the 11, I am checking whether it has any right childs or not. It doesn't have any right childs, and here the tree is completed. So finally, my traversal for in order for this particular graph is a particular tree is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so like this, I will do a tree operations, a tree traversal by using a in order. So in the extension of this class is I already it is my fourth video in the binary operations. In the fifth video, I will explain what are the operations and the remaining traversal operation, that is post order. So I already discussed pre-order in the previous lecture. In this lecture, I discussed about the in order. In the next lecture, I will discuss about the post order. Thank you.